I made my boyfriend eat his own food after he threw mine away. I've been dating my boyfriend for a year, and we moved in together 3 months ago. Everything was fine until I noticed he has a strange obsession with food waste. He hates leftovers and insists on throwing them out immediately, even if it means tossing perfectly good food. I meal prep for work, making 5 days worth of lunches to save time and money. Last week, I prepared a big batch of stir fry, portioned it out, and stored it in the fridge. The next day, I came home to find he had thrown all my meals away, saying he didn't want the fridge cluttered with old food. I was furious and told him he had no right to throw away my food. He dismissed me, saying I was overreacting. I had to scramble to make new meals for the week, which cost me time and money. This week, I decided to test him. I made a big pot of chili and left it in the fridge. When I came home, it was gone. I confronted him, and he shrugged, saying he'd tossed it again. That's when I snapped. I told him he would have to eat his own food for the rest of the week. No sharing, no cooking for him. He sulked and complained that he didn't know how to cook, but I didn't care. Now he's been living off frozen meals and takeout, and he's miserable. He claims I'm being petty and punishing him over something small, but I think he needs to learn to respect my boundaries and stop wasting food. My friends are split. Some say I'm right, while others think I'm overreacting.